Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all, children?
I am. Thank you.
Okay, all are doing good.
Thank you.
Yes, good. Are you all ready for the revision test? Today's revision test?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, good afternoon. Do you know which is the topic?
Yes.
What is the topic?
Yes.
What is the topic?
Additional time. Additional time.
No. Today's revision test topic.
Time.
Time. Clock.
Addition.
Isn't
And
it?
addition.
Addition. I told about addition today.
Ma'am,
No.
time.
What did I tell you?
Time.
About clock, isn't it? Good, I will be taking a revision test of clock. Do you remember clock we have learned?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me mute everybody. Then we will start the class. Yeah. Let me see whether you remember clock. How many hands a clock has? We are learning about only 2 hands. Yes. What is the name of the long hand? Long hand. Yeah, wait. William. Minute hand. Do you know the spelling?
No.
What is the spelling of the minute hand?
M.
M. Yeah.
N.
Yes. A little more louder, dear. It's not clear.
M. I.
M-I-N.
N. T.
U-T-E. It's not clear for me. Okay. The spelling of minute is M-I-N. U-T-E. Okay. The long hand is called minute hand. M-I-N-U-T-E. Got the spelling? What is the spelling? Yes, M-I-N-U-T-E. That is the spelling of minute. And hand, H-A-N-D. Now, what is the name of the short hand of the clock? Short hand of the clock is Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Short hand of the clock is called
Our hand.
hour hand. What is the spelling?
H-O.
Who?
H-O-U-R. H-O-U-R.
Yes.
Our hand. H-A-N-D. Hand.
Yes, good. H-O-U-R, R and hand, H-A-N-D. That is the name of the shorthand, R hand. Now, 2 hands are there, isn't it? Now, the minute hand is dash than the R hand. The minute hand is dash than the R hand. Let me see who can tell me the answer. Yes, Darshit?
Fastest.
Faster. Only 2 hands are there, no? Minute and R. Okay, the minute hand is faster than the R hand. What is the spelling of faster?
A-F-T-E-R.
F-A-S-T-E-R. Faster. Okay, good. F-A-S-T, fast. E-R, R, faster. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Got? What is the spelling of faster? F-A-S-T-E-R. Yes. Okay. Now, what does a clock tell us? What does a clock tell us? Joachim.
Time.
Time. Spelling of time?
T-I-M-E.
Yes. Good. The clock tells us the time, T-I-M-E. The long hand of the clock is called minute hand, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute. The short hand of the clock is called hour hand. H-O-U-R. R. H-A-N-D hand. The minute hand is faster than the hour hand. The spelling of faster is F-A-S-T-E-R. That is faster. Got? And now if the clock is given, you can write the time, right? Can you? Okay. Now, are you all ready with your rough book? Shall I show the question paper? Okay. The question paper is little short today. Only 8 questions are there and each question carries 1 mark. All are fill in the blanks. Okay. So open your rough book. I'm going to share the question paper. Yes. This is the question paper. Is the question paper clear, children? Yes. Okay. So these are the 8 questions. So before starting, you write over here 16, 12, 20, today's date. And on the other side, write 8. Your marks has to be written up. Can be done afterwards. This much has to be done. After that, you can start writing. I will read the questions for you. Okay. The first question is, all of you are ready with the, did you all open your rough book? Nia is sharpening the pencil. What about others? Yes. Most of you are ready with the book. Now, I'm going to start reading the questions. First question is, the long hand of a clock is called dash. First one, the long hand of a clock is called dash. Second one, the minute hand of a clock is dash than the hour hand. The minute hand of a clock is dash than the hour hand. You have to write whether it is faster or slower. Third one, the short hand of a clock is called dash. The short hand of a clock is called dash. Third one. In the fourth question, a small clock is there. The hands are also drawn. You have to just write the time. The time given in the clock is dash. Fourth. Fifth one, if time is 8 o'clock, the hour hand is at dash. Suppose the time is 8. The hour hand will be at which number? Hour hand. If time is 8 o'clock. Sixth one, if the hour hand and the minute hand is on 12, the time is read as dash. Both the hands are on 12. The hour hand as well as the minute hand is on 12. So what will be the time? Seventh one, if the time is 11 o'clock, the minute hand is set will be at which number? If the time is 11 o'clock, the minute hand is at which number? Eighth one, a clock tells us dash. A clock tells us dash. Yes. Now, let me see if anybody has finished writing. If anybody has finished writing, you can raise your hand. Is the question paper clear, children? One of you, I'm just muting. Dia,
Yes.
did you finish writing, Dia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is the question paper clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, she has finished writing. Dia has finished. Anybody else has finished? Helen. Helen has finished. Dia has finished. Nia. Nia over? Finished? Yes. Advait has finished. Okay, 4 children has finished writing. Azim has finished writing. Okay. All the questions are, we discussed all the questions now. So I think no need of confusion and all. It's easy. Even the spellings we have discussed now. So do it fast. Yes. Mohammad Bazim, Ryan has finished writing. 5 more minutes for completing it. Within that time, please complete it fast. We will discuss the answers. We have to put the marks. We have to check how many of you got full marks. Vaiga Rajivan is entering now. Vaiga, you are very late to the class. What happened, Vaiga? Okay, anyway, the question paper is there on the screen. Answer all the questions fast. Only 8 are there. 4 more minutes are left. Madhav has finished. Diol has finished writing. Ayush finished. Three more minutes are there for completing your work. Do it a little more fast. Let me see how many of you have finished. Children, yes, raise your hands, those who have finished writing. Meenakshi, Helen, Rishikesh, Juanita, Rayan, Dia, Joachim, Azim, Advait, Diol, Madhav, Mohammad Wazim, Dev and Diol both, John, Ayush. Wazim has finished, right? Wazim, Advait, okay. Some are left to finish it. Do it fast. 2 more minutes for completing it. Then we will discuss the answers. Okay, anybody else is there? Only 1 minute more. Sarah, Darshit, Santino, John. Vaiga has entered late. I don't know whether Adidev, did you finish writing, Adidev? Lift the book up and show me how much you have written. Lift, lift the book, bring it near to the camera. Yes.
Ma'am, this is left book, right?
Now you are asking. That means you have not started yet.
Ma'am, this is test. Ma'am, this is test.
Yeah, you were there in the beginning of the class, no? You did not hear?
Ma'am, I know. Come.
No, you were there in the beginning. I saw you. I think you are the only person who did not start. Okay. The time is up. We are going to start discussing. Now, first question. The long hand of a clock is called dash. The long hand of a clock. Mohammed Wazim. What is the name of the long hand of a minute hand? What is the spelling you have written?
M-I-N-U-E-T-E.
Yes.
Minute hand.
M-I-N-U?
U.
Uh,
T-E.
okay. H-A-N-D. Okay. Good. I'm going to write the spelling here. Check. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute hand. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute hand. If the answer is correct, the spelling is correct, put a tick mark. Minute hand. Next, Madhav.
Ma'am.
Second one, the minute hand of a clock is dash than the hour hand.
Bigger.
Bigger.
Bigger. Big.
I told whether it is faster or slower.
Faster.
Faster. What is the spelling of faster?
F-A.
Uh,
S.
uh,
E.
uh,
T. E.
uh, uh. F-A-S-T. Yes, faster. Okay, good. The minute hand of a clock is faster than the hour hand. Put a tick mark if it is correct. Ayush. Ayush, third one. Ayush, unmute, my dear.
Ma'am.
Yes. Third one, the short hand of a clock is called dash.
Our hands.
Our hand. Spelling?
H HOUR.
Yes. Okay. Good. The short hand of a clock is called our hand. HOUR. Our hand. HAND. If the answer is correct, put a tick. Now, next one. The time is given over there. In the clock is there. The hands are also drawn. You have to just write the time. Rishikesh, what is the time given in the
Yes,
clock?
ma'am.
Yes. Fourth one.
3 o'clock.
Huh?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Yes. Good. The time is 4 o'clock. Write 4, write big O, capital O, put an apostrophe and write clock. 4 o'clock. Put a tick mark. It is correct. Next one. Juanita.
Ma'am.
Fifth one. If the time is 8 o'clock, the hour hand will be at
8.
8. Good. If the time is 8 o'clock, the hour hand will be at 8. It is correct. Put a tick mark. Mute, Janita. Now, Ryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ryan, if the hour hand and the minute hand is at 12, the time is read as?
12 o'clock.
Yes, good. 12 o'clock. If both the hands are on 12, the time is read as 12 o'clock. This is the answer. This is the way the answer is written. If it is correct, put a tick mark. Oh. Yes. Aditi Arun. Aditi, seventh one. If the time is 11 o'clock, the minute hand will be at?
12 o'clock.
12. The minute hand will be at 12. The time is 11 o'clock. The short hand will be at 11 and the minute hand will be at 12. That's all. Just 12 we have to write. Okay. Okay. Good. 12. If the time is 11 o'clock, the minute hand will be at 12. Now the last one. Devana.
Yes, ma'am.
Devana, question number 8. A clock tells us dash.
Time.
Time. Spelling?
TIME.
Yes, TIME. Good. A clock tells us time. TIME. These are the answers. If the answer is correct, put a tick mark. And after putting the tick marks and all, count the tick marks that you have given. If the answer is wrong, put a cross mark, write the correct answer over here. After that, don't put a tick. If 8 tick marks are there, you have to write 8. If 6 are there, write 6 upon 8. 7 are there, write 7 upon 8. Done? Yes. Adidev KB is not interested in the test. He is not interested in the correction. He just want to waste the time. That's all. His mother is not there with him, so he is not doing anything. Just wasting the time, isn't it, Adidev? Okay. Now, how many of you got 8 out of 8? Raise your hands, those who got 8 out of 8. Helen, Rishikesh, Madhav, Minakshi, Nia, Janita, Deep, Diol, Devna, Darshit, William, Ihan, Nia, Aditi, Sarah, again Helen, Advait, John, Santino, Ryan, Vaiga, Ayush. Okay, Meenakshi also got. Heaven. Okay, Heaven. Good children. Those who got full marks, very good. And those who did not get full marks, don't worry. You have to be more careful in the next exam. Tomorrow, on Friday, I will take the revision test of the whole chapter time all together. Okay. Now, Adidev, did you write anything, Adidev? Huh? Shall I call your mother after this period? Better to call your mother, isn't it? No. Then what you were doing? Where is your rough book? I told to take your rough book, you did not take, isn't it? I told to start right, you did not take the book, you were just simply sitting and wasting the time. Wait, I will call your mother after this period. Okay, children, I'm going to unmute everybody now.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Children,
ma'am.